Hello everybody. Today's toolbox safety topic is on working safely with lead. Lead overexposure is one of the leading causes of workplace illness. The most at risk are workers who are exposed to lead and who are not aware of it. Construction workers could be exposed to lead during work on bridges, tunnels, water towers, steel structures, and other structures that may be coated with lead-based paints. Workers must recognize the dangers of lead poisoning and should learn how to control and reduce their exposure to lead. Although the use of lead-based paint has been banned in residential application, it is still used on bridges, railways, lighthouses, and other steel structures because lead-based paint slows down the rusting and corrosion of iron and steel. Before a new coating can be applied to bridges and other steel structures, deteriorated paint and corrosion must be removed. This process is commonly accomplished by abrasive blast cleaning. As the paint is removed, small lead-containing paint particles become airborne in the form of lead dust and contaminate the air. Workers who may be exposed to this type of lead hazard include abrasive blasters, inspectors, iron workers who may be cutting and welding, painters, laborers, torch burners, etc. Lead enters the body through inhalation and ingestion. As lead accumulates in the body, it damages the lungs, kidneys, intestines, the nervous system, and reproductive organs. Overexposure to lead can cause things like brain disorders, anemia, nervous disorders, and death. Remember these safe work practices when working with or around lead. Always wear respiratory protection and the necessary personal protective equipment to prevent contact with lead. Never smoke, eat, drink, or apply cosmetics in contaminated areas or while wearing contaminated clothing. Store your street clothes separately and never wear contaminated clothes, shoes, or boots home. Before going home, shower and change into clean clothes and footwear to avoid exposing your family. Never dry sweep where lead dust is present. Mist the area with water and use a vacuum with a HEPA filter. Never used compressed air for cleaning dust from work surfaces. Now, if you're not sure whether you're working with lead, ask your supervisor. For more information, you can also consult the standard on lead. That's the 1926 CFR at www.osha.gov, and then look under 1926.62. That's the lead standard for construction. Final reminder, lead water pipes can present a lead hazard, especially to children under 6. These aren't common very much anymore, and maybe in real older homes, but it's especially detrimental to children under 6. So protect your children from exposure to lead. Guys, if you find these videos useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and there's other videos there on toolbox topics, safety leadership, and take care of yourself, take care of your coworkers, and I'll see you in the field.